Hi, my name is Christina. I am 24 years old and I currently live in Northern California. I am a shift supervisor at Starbucks, and so I'm attending ASU through the College Achievement Program. I've been with Starbucks for about 3 years now, and this is my second full year at ASU. No, I've just hit my second full year at ASU. I'm just about halfway through my bachelor's degree. I had a few credits that I was able to transfer in from my previous colleges, and I moved around a lot, so that an online university setting was probably going to be the easiest thing for me to be able to get my degree finished in a timely manner. My most memorable and valuable learning experience probably would have to be my junior year in high school. I took AP US History. This year and this teacher kind of solidified the fact that I knew that I wanted to teach history in some capacity, whether it's US or world history. I always knew I wanted to teach something. I had tended to bounce back and forth between elementary education or secondary education, and unfortunately with this program I am not able to get my credentials, so I'm doing what I can with education here, and I'm going to take this degree to a college just in a couple towns over, and I'm going to partner and get my master's and my teaching credentials at the same time so I can teach secondary education. But my AP US history teacher was not a normal teacher. He liked to make things fun and interesting in the class. I think one of my favorite things that he did was picture notes. So he would draw pictures on the board, and we would copy the pictures down, and then once he gave us like 15-20 minutes to copy everything down, he would go through the notes picture by picture, and we would write next to it what they basically meant. It was kind of like a mnemonic memory device. So when you're taking a test, you would associate the question on the test with the picture that you remember from his notes. So I learned to be able to answer the questions a little bit easier with it. It was when you're taking AP history exam, I learned quickly that was probably the hardest exam that they offered, and you have so many dates and time periods and names that you have to memorize, and so these pictures helped you quickly get something in your brain so you could scribble it out on paper. So this helped all of his students. And I think that something like this, something that he was doing, would have helped a lot more students in different classes and in different programs. He was the head of the history department for this very reason. He knew what he was doing, and he did it very well. And he wasn't there to coddle you. He was there to teach you and give you the tools. So by him doing this, it fully equipped us with that. I plan on having my own history classroom, and so today I would plan to probably do something similar to it. I don't know, I may have a different approach. Certain students don't memorize things the same way, so I probably would tailor it to each year depending on what types of students that I had in the class. It might not be something that I would start with immediately, but definitely something that I would want to implement. But I'm looking forward to this class, and I'm looking forward to everything that I can learn and everything that I can take forward with me. Thanks.